Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the gas tank straps on a Saab 95 2003. So in order to change the gas tank strap, the reason why I'm changing them because they are rusted, and when they are rusted there's always the risk of the gas strap to break down. I was heating up the bolt because the bolt was seized, the one on the top. So the one over there was seized. So I have to heat it up with the small torch. So when you work next to the gas tank and you're gonna use the torch, you always have to make sure there's no gas leak or gas smell. And I was using 2 plates to protect the gas tank. So this is not something you can do at home because first you have to use the torch and then you have to use plates to protect the gas tank. So in case the bolt is seized, forget about this job. But if it's not seized, you can change the gas tank, there's no problem. It's too easy to change the gas tank strap. So the tool that you need is an extension with 10mm socket. Bolt number 1. It is always not to have a lot of gas in the gas tank because of the weight of the gas tank. So if it's lighter, of course, it's better for you. If it's too heavy, then you might have to put a support under the gas tank, so it won't drop down, especially if the other strap too is rusted. But this gas tank doesn't have too much gas. It's maybe it's half full, but it's not a problem at this point. Second bolt came down. So this is how to remove the gas tank strap. As you see, the reason why I'm changing the gas tank strap is all rusted. So let's go ahead and put the new one. So when we make sure that the bolt is going okay, we can go with the gun. So tighten the bolt all the way. So that's it. So the second one, the second strap is similar to, the way to replace it is similar to the first one. So that's how to replace a gas tank strap on a Saab 95, which is the same between 99 to 2009. Thanks for watching.